Hi, in this video we're going to show you a possible workaround for not being able to access any admin shares on a remote Windows 11 computer. So if you need to access these admin shares such as $, admin $, you may have trouble doing so when it comes to doing it on Windows 11. So for example here, if I try and connect to this remote computer here using / computer name, $, then of course you can make it $D or E$ depending on the drive. And I get this message here: Windows cannot access the share name. You do not have permission to access the share name. Contact your network administrator. And then we can't get in. And by the way, according to Microsoft, you can't access admin shares from a Windows 11 home computer. It has to be pro to pro or enterprise to enterprise. All right, so to get around that, we're going to go over to the destination computer that we're trying to reach. Okay, so we're going to do a registry edit. So I'm going to type in regedit. All right, so now we want to go to this key here. So you could just copy and paste this from the description right into the address bar, press enter. So a couple ways you could do it. There's the unsecure way. So if you see this enable LUA, if you double click this, set this to 0, and then restart your computer, that'll completely disable Windows UAC. And it's actually more disabled than if you were to go to UAC settings here and brought that all the way down. So this doesn't completely disable it when you put it to never notify, but this will. But of course, that's a security risk. So to get around that, we're going to add a new D-word value, local account token filter policy, all one word with the capital letters, just like this. We're going to copy that. We're going to right-click on a blank spot, or you can right-click on System, New D-word value, not keyword, D-word. Paste that in there. Double-click it. Set it to 1. And then OK. All right, then we got to restart this computer here, so we'll do that real quick. Okay, so the destination computer has been rebooted. All right, so let's go back over to the other computer that we're trying to use to make the connection. All right, so let's type in the path again. And now you can see we're in. So you might be prompted for credentials the first time you do it. So I've connected to this admin share before, so I didn't have to. So it will work with a local account or a Microsoft account. So I'm using a Microsoft account right now to connect to it. And then when you connect using a Microsoft account, let me open up the Notepad file again. You have to do it like this. So you have to go Microsoft account / email address, and then the password that goes along with your Microsoft account email address. And if you're using a local account, you just do computer name / local username. So, Win11 Pro / Steve, like so. All right, so once again, on the destination computer, go to this key, make a new D-word value, local account token filter policy, set its value to 1, reboot the destination computer, and then you should be able to connect to your admin shares. All right, so I'll put this in the description, and then you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.